Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to add multiple Gmail accounts on your iPhone on iOS devices. Guys, you can see the Mail app is no option to add another accounts on your iPhone. So here you can see how can I add. So simply follow these steps. Close this window and open setting application on your iPhone. And here is scroll down and tap on apps. Find out mail application. Here is you can see, tap on it. Now open mail accounts and here is tap on add account. Now tap on Google. Enter here your Gmail ID. After entering Gmail ID, tap on next. Enter your Google account password and tap on next. Now wait for some seconds. Guys, you can see appears on screen. Tap on continue and now scroll down, tap on allow. And guys, your another mail account has been successfully logged in on your Google account on your iPhone. Here you can see, tap on save. Now close this window and open mail application again. And here is you can see appears on screen another mail account is available. When you tap on it, your another mail accounts mails available. You can manage multiple Google accounts on iPhone by this method. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.